Okay, so I wanted to do something a little bit different. We got this box of Universal Yums from our friends, the Flapped, Aileen and Jeremy. Thanks, guys. This is fantastic. Okay, so today is Italy, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited. And because Italy is always cold and frozen, we've come to this frozen lake full of snow.
Is that true?
But
no.
Where should we start? Michelle, you want to open this up and read about the snacks?
Yeah.
I think that's a good place to start. All right, let's start with the Tarallinis.
Okay.
Can you find that?
Tarallini. Tarallini.
Italy's most iconic snack with a kick. Walk down a U.S. snack aisle and you'll see chips on chips on chips. The same is true in Italy, except with Taralli. These crunchy bread spirals are an Italian go-to, available in countless flavors.
Oh, it smells good.
It does smell. It smells like lemon and pepper, and this is something that it might look like.
It's like a giant Cheerio.
All right.
Ready?
3.
It's almost like a cracker.
It's almost like a cookie, though.
Yeah.
This is like a savory snack.
That's a thing that I put in my mouth.
Oh, I really taste the pepper.
This next thing, crisp almond cookies.
Almond.
Oh, mommy can't have this almond.
I'll cut this one out because I'm allergic.
Ready for the world's tastiest love story? The tale behind these classic cookies began in 1719 in Serrano.
Wow.
When a young couple overheard that a cardinal was visiting their church. He blessed the couple to a long, happy
Boring.
union.
How is it?
Really good. Did you try it?
You like
Good.
it?
These are,
Can you tell them what it tastes like?
Tastes like
it tastes like a cookie that has sugar.
Michelle, what about you?
what is that flavor?
It smells good. I can smell it.
What is
All
this
right,
one?
we got Alfredo's potato chips.
Ooh, okay.
Apparently, Alfredo does a potato chip different.
Where's
Oh,
that?
is that a truffle?
It's a truffle potato chip.
Do you
Ooh.
want me to read about it?
Oh, give me the elevator pitch.
I'm just reading
What
the
does that
ingredients.
mean?
That means just tell me a little bit about it real quick. What's so special about them? The answer lies in the flavor. Black truffles. That's all I need to know.
Oh, wow.
Ah!
Oh,
I like that.
Give me the other one. Oh my goodness. That's delicious.
yeah. I don't think the kids will like that.
Ew.
That's wet.
I like it a lot.
I happen to be a big fan of these.
I love truffles, so.
Wow.
Wow.
I could eat those all day. There is a brand, the Humpty Dumpty brand of ketchup potato chips that are my favorite. I'm kind of excited to try this. It's an awfully little bag. What is this, like a bag for ants? 30 years ago, potato chips were scorned in Italy. Then something happened. Now they have ketchup potato chips. Cool.
Like, they look like normal chips.
Instant ketchup. Miles, you try it?
Oh, yeah.
I don't like that.
Oh my goodness.
It's like
That is delicious.
I like that.
It's like
really
crunchy.
sweet.
It's crunchy ketchup.
crunchy sweet.
Yeah. I like ketchup potato chips too.
Yeah. I still like the truffle ones better though.
This is good.
This is fantastic. Now we're getting into
Bar-
nocciolato.
Not yet.
Oh.
If we're talking hazelnuts, these are the top selling. That's all you need to know. The nut in the back, you can totally see
Is
it.
it good?
That's so good.
Yeah.
Is it? Sorry, Amanda.
Yeah. Looks really nutty. My death.
A
Oh,
little bit, a little more.
it's like a Ferrero Rocher.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Okay.
Moving on, we're on to orange carrot. Buona dolce. Buona dolce.
Oh.
You're probably familiar with carrot cake. That's all we need.
Chris's favorite cake.
It is. See?
That looks really good. It looks
3,
like
2, 1.
like a little Debbie snack.
Okay, so since I'm such a big fan of carrot cake, I'm gonna be. It's like eating fake orange.
Yeah.
Is it creamy?
Like it's like eating a crayon that would be the color orange.
Oh, what's this?
This is a yum bag. I don't know.
What does that mean?
I don't know what that means. Let's get the elevator pitch. Fizzy lemon candies, tiramisu cream milk chocolate balls, and probably something else. All right, the first thing we're pulling out.
Do it random.
Ooh, Seltz soda lemon
Fizz candy?
fizz candy.
Okay. How many do you get?
We get 2 of those.
Okay.
Here, you can have that. And this one is the tiramisu ball.
All right, I'm trying the lemon fizz soda candy.
Okay.
This is what it looks like.
Oh, very lemony. Just tastes like lemon hard candy.
Is the soda candy fizzy?
Oh God.
Does it fizz a lot?
I was not expecting that.
This tastes like coffee.
When you break it open, it fizzes on your tongue. Like
Oh, that's kind of fun. All right.
The rest, I don't like coffee.
You don't like it?
No.
I like that. That's fun. How do you like the tiramisu? Is it good?
Tiramisu was pretty good.
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
All right, so what was your favorite thing?
Mine was the truffle chips.
Okay.
Really flavorful, really yummy.
What were those again?
I give it 8 yums.
Here,
Out
there
of
are
10.
truffle chips left.
Oh, perfect.
What are those?
Actually, those were my favorite too.
Oh, those.
How many yums do you give it?
5 yums. Everything else was like a 2.
What?
The ketchup chips were really good too.
Yeah. I like the lemon candy. It was fun.
Yeah. I'm not really a big sweets fan, so that didn't really do it for me, but the chips were really good. Miles, what was your favorite?
The chocolate thing, not these.
The chocolate thing you still have all over your mouth?
No.
Oh. All right, well, that's the end of the candy. So now we're gonna go walk around the woods and do something else.
If you haven't yet,
See
make
you
sure you try
later.
Universal Yums. And thanks, Aileen and Jeremy.
Yeah. Did you guys really find a fish in the...
I think it's a leaf.
That's not a fish, that's
That's
a
a
leaf.
Keep dancing with the devil, but it is alive.